How to find phone number on your Google account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can find phone number on your Google account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Now let's get started. So to find your phone number on your Google account, you can simply open up your Google Chrome and make sure you're logged in. You can then go to your profile icon on the top right, and you should see the settings for your profile. Tap on your profile, that is your name on the top. After you're here, scroll down, you'll find an option that says manage your Google account. Tap on it and you should be on your Google account settings. So right here you'll find different options including your personal information. Head over there, and after you tap on it, if you scroll down, you should find your contact info section. Right there under contact info, you'll get two sections. One is for the email, the other is for phone. Now under the phone section, you'll find your mobile number right there. Now since I haven't added any mobile number, there isn't any number to show here, but for you, if you have added a number, you'll find it right there. And that's basically it. That's how you find phone number on your Google account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.